Hi guys, today we're going to go through how to reconcile items in Xero. So this will be one of the most useful tools you can learn in Xero and something you'll probably use the most often. So when you log into Xero, you go on your dashboard and you can see here it says business bank account and then it says reconcile 28 items. If you don't have any items to reconcile, this will come up blank. We can see here your accountant needs help with you on 28 items. So you really want to be logging in every day and checking this and making sure that it's all up to date. You could push it out to about a week, but we strongly recommend not going over that because then you'll fall behind and your accountant can't move forward until everything's been reconciled. So you'd come in and you'd click on here, reconcile 28 items. Now this is how your accountant communicates with you on a regular basis to save emailing or calls. So you'd come in here, you can see all the transactions here that haven't been reconciled, money received, money spent. And then if you go over here to the Discuss tab and click in, you can see messages your accountant might leave you. So if a transaction comes up green, it's usually that they can find a corresponding invoice or bill. Your accountant might just leave a little note for you. Is this a direct match? Or they'll reconcile it themselves later, but you might just leave a message that says, yes, it is. And then you'd put your initials and the date. You'd hit save. You'd then move on. You can see here, again, we've got money spent, so $4,500 going out, but your accountant obviously doesn't have a receipt or bill for this amount. So they've left you a message in the Discuss tab, please send to Dex, their initials and the date. So then you'd respond and go, hi, I will Dext now, your initials and the date, and click save. And for our last example, you can see here we've received actually $100 from City Limousines, but perhaps your accountant can't see any invoice in Xero for City Limousines under that amount. So it'd leave you a message like this. You could come in and go, oh, yep, I've forgotten to do that. Go, hi, I have not invoiced this job yet. We'll do so this afternoon. Again, your initials and the date. Hit save. So when your accountant comes in, they'll come to the Discuss tab too, and they'll go, great, everything's getting sorted. They just might have to wait for a few more documents. But that's it. That's how you reconcile. It really is just how you communicate with your accountant on a regular basis. You don't have to do any of the actual reconciling yourself. Just always try and remember, come in as often as possible to the Reconcile tab, click on Discuss, leave as detailed messages as you can. But that's it. That's how you reconcile in Xero. Thanks for watching.